on fire.
Nana, you wanted the chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking? A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making a one-pan Cajun chicken and rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of long grain white rice, and you want to rinse it. I also have 2 chicken breasts. I cut them in half, and then I cut them in half again. 1/2 of a red bell pepper diced, 1/2 of a green bell pepper diced, 1 Roma tomato diced, 1 small onion diced, 1 celery stalk. You want to slice it thin and then dice it. 1½ tablespoons of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. We're also going to need 2 bay leaves, 2 more tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1 to 2 teaspoons of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. You could be the judge of that. And also 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of dried thyme. To my chicken breast, I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of the Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Then I'm going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil. Now all we're going to do is go in and mix everything until it's well coated. Okay guys, you want to make sure your chicken breast is well coated like this. Okay guys, you want to use a large enough pan. I'm using a 5-quart jumbo cooker. So we're going to place our heat on medium. We're going to add in our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And you want to let that come to temperature. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken breast. Okay guys, we're just going to be searing our chicken breasts on each side until they're brown. We're not going to cook them all the way through. This is going to take about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Okay guys, I began to turn them over. As you can see, they're getting a nice brown color on them. Okay guys, now we can go ahead and remove it. As you can see, both sides is nicely browned. I'm going to remove it and set it to the side. Now to the same pan, we're going to add in our onion, our red bell pepper, our green bell pepper, our Roma tomato, and also our celery. So now we're going to saute that for 3 to 4 minutes until our veggies are all soft. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. And And also, guys, I forgot to tell you, we need a tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm going to add that in also, and our minced garlic. We're going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. We're going to let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in my rice. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. And you want to let it get toasted. So we're going to cook it for about 1 minute. Okay, after 1 minute, you can add in your chicken broth. Next, we're going to add in our 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, our 4th teaspoon of dried thyme, and our 4th teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So we're going to go ahead and give that a mix. Make sure it's well combined. Okay guys, you want to turn up your heat some until it comes to a boil. And we're just going to add in our 2 bay leaves also. Okay guys, once it comes to a boil, we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken breast right on top. Now you can lower your heat to low. Put your lid over top, and we're going to let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes until the rice is cooked all the way through. Okay guys, as you can see, it's now done. We're just going to go ahead and remove our bay leaves. Okay guys, so this is our 1-pan Cajun chicken and rice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Y'all hungry yet? Y'all hungry yet? Come back real soon. I got more to serve. Y'all hungry yet?
See you next time. Bye.